So this is the beautiful vintage Coach Madison Deauville Drawstring bag in the color navy. And this bag is special because it was actually made in Italy, and it was made in the year 1997, and the style number was 4426. So this one has more of a pebbled leather appearance. It's really nice. I think the Madison collection used this type of leather specifically. So it also has its own little unique type of turn lock here that opens so that you can open the body of the bag. And this one looks like it probably wasn't used because it still has this little barb that the price tag would have attached to, and it also has the original Coach tissue paper. So it's still in really nice condition. But anyway, I'll show you. Here's what the front of the bag looks like. And it does have a shoulder strap, as you can see right here. It's adjustable, and then here's what the side looks like. Turn it so it's in frame, and then here's the back of the bag. And then it also has purse feet on the bottom so that when you set it down, it is slightly elevated, which is nice. And then, as I mentioned, it still has the tissue paper inside the bag that it would have come with, and then it has this nice zip pocket back here in the back of the bag, and it also has the Coach Creed right back here. So I'll go ahead and insert a close-up photo of the Creed right now so you can see it. As you can see, it says the bag was handcrafted in Italy. So that's what the bag looks like. It's really nice, beautiful condition, and it's still available in our Etsy shop if you are interested and wanted to check it out further. We also still have a matching briefcase that I think is called the Madison Drake briefcase in the Etsy shop, so I will go ahead and link that one below as well if you wanted to check it out, since they match really well. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.